Okay, so the problem is that up works on this side. Oh no, it doesn't. Is it on? Oh yeah, sometimes it works. And down, sometimes it works. But if you try from the other side, it will work both ways. So we know the motor's not at fault. It's definitely the switch, or either the switch or the wiring. So I'm now going to take the switch off.
Generally, we would recommend that you remove the battery negative terminal at this point, just to save risk blowing any fuses or anything like that. But as you can see, we've not bothered. It's easier to test the window with the power connected, so we've just left the power connected. Worst case scenario, we blow a fuse, but I've got a box of spare fuses anyway, so that's just a normal Phillips head screw there, nothing special, standard screwdriver. The clip that holds the top bit of the handle in here is actually broken off on this car, so I'm able to pull it out by hand, but if that clip was still there, you'd want to use a plastic trim tool just to avoid breaking the clip. I just want to show you my technique for getting these electrical connectors off. I've gone to get a flat blade screwdriver. Now if you hold the screwdriver in the palm of your hand and grip it on either side with your fingers, it should just pop right out. So now we're just going to compare the old switch and the new switch, make sure they're the same. They are.
Make sure that's clipped in, and that's fixed it. Stick that screw back in.
Make sure you don't over tighten these screws that go into plastic, because it's easy to damage them. Just literally hand tighten, not any force at all. So that's all fixed. Now we're gonna take it apart and see if we can work out what was wrong.
Ah. Interesting. Well, that's for the light.
I can't get it open now.
Shall we hit it with something? Do the old council estate disassembly. Right, move all that stuff out of the way. I'm going to put the camera down so we can whack it on the floor.
There.
There. Right. They're pretty solid. Oh, switches on. Oh, that's it. There we go. Looking for is bad contacts, but they actually look okay. Okay. Tell you what, a little bit further away. There we go.